I got no regrets, and I remember the day that we met. There was no way that I could forget you, so I followed you home, and I waited till you were alone. And I crept into your room while you slept. I laid next to you, and I knew that I could never let you go. I know this seems so